everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you my January favorites. For the hair I have the Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. I like to use this when I have my hair up like this to prevent flyaways. Then for skincare, this month I found the Biore Baking Soda Pore Cleanser. I like it because it helps with oily skin and doesn't give me little bumps like other cleansers do. Then for makeup, I have the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. I like that it comes with this little pot and it lasts for months. You just have to use your own brush because the one that it comes with is very flimsy. Then for clothes, I have the Zara Polka Dot Dress. I have this in the size X small and I like it because it's very fresh and comfortable. You can use it with shorts or over jeans. For shoes, I have the Zara Black Brogues with multicolored salt. I like this because they resemble the Prada ones but without the high price and the weight. Then for drink, in December I got this wine which is called Juguette from Australia, and it's a Cabernet Shiraz, and I like it because it didn't give me a headache and most of red wines do. Then for my January bag, I have the Zara City bag. I like it because it's compact and I can put everything that I carry in my everyday. For my sunglasses, I have the Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I like them because they are big and they make a statement with the gold sides. For my favorite magazine, I have the Glamour Magazine. I read it in my iPad and I like it that it has a lot of pictures and the articles are good. And for last thing, I have my Song of the Day playlist. When I find a song that I like, I add it to that playlist, and well, that's all that I have right now. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.